Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm again back with Meesho haul, and this time I've got kurtis for you guys, and these kurtis are very beautiful, and these are like festive wear kurtis, and a couple of kurtis are like casual wear kurtis. Not all the kurtis are function wear. So I'm very much excited to show you guys what all I have got today. And if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So the first dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. It's in black color, and let me show you guys. You guys know that I like black in general, and also I like darker colors. And this is how the front looks like. They have given a beautiful embroidery work in the front, and you get to see the tassels also. I mean, I got it in medium size, and they have given a full sleeves, and in the sleeves also you get this kind of net work, lace work. So this is how it looks like, guys. And they have given a lining inside. I don't know why they have given lining, because I don't see this is like a transparent material, because since this is like black, I don't think this will be like a transparent material. Not sure, but you cannot wear this dress in summer because you might feel really hot. They have given this kind of, you know, lace work. Let me show you guys properly. They have given this kind of lace work, and again you can see in the try on video also. This is how it looks like. Very beautiful dress. And let me show you the bottom. This is how the bottom looks like. In the front they have given this finish, clean finish, and behind you get this kind of elastic, and this is like a narrow fit pant, and in the ends you get this kind of embroidery work. So again, I'm just telling you guys, I got it in medium size. They have also given a dupatta for this. This is how it looks like. They have given a very beautiful embroidery work for the dupatta, and the width is very short. You can see it's like a scarf. And yeah guys, this is how it looks like. Very beautiful dress, but one thing is this dress is bit itchy in my neck area. I don't know why. And also the dupatta length is very short, not the length, the width is very short. So I don't know, I'm dicey about this particular dress, but if you guys want to go for it, you can definitely go for it. But I would not recommend this particular dress, although it looks really beautiful. You can also see in the try on video, but I would not suggest this particular dress to you guys. And also you can't wear this during summer, although like you have this itchiness and everything, it will be very difficult to wear this dress, I feel. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 1195 rupees, but I will not recommend this particular dress, and also it's not worth. Somehow, you know, they try to mimic the actual dress, so you guys can see the actual dress. It's a very beautiful dress, but I did not really like it, guys, and I will not recommend for you also. Next dress is this one. This is like a cord set dress. Let me show you guys. This is how the top looks like. They have given a, you know, sequence work here. You can see in the collar, and all over the dress they have given this beautiful flower prints, and behind also you get the same thing. And very beautiful dress, guys. I don't know what material is this. Let me see. And they have also given a bottom for this. This is how the bottom looks like. I mean, bottom fits really well, and they have also given a pocket on one side. So this is like a loose pant with a narrow fit, and they have used the same material for top and bottom, so it's very comfortable. Definitely you can wear it during summer, and it looks really trendy as well. Alright, the price of this cord set is 520 rupees, and there was no discount on this. But this dress is really nice. Let me see what material is this. I think it's a rayon fabric. Okay, it's a polyester. If you guys like this kind of material, you can definitely go for it. But it is very comfortable. You can definitely wear it during summer and winter. Anyway, you can wear it. And let's move on to the next dress. The next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is a white color dress, like a chicken curry dress. This is how the front looks like. They have given a very beautiful embroidery work. By the way, all the dresses I got it in medium size, and this is how the next dress looks like. They have given a very beautiful embroidery work, and it's quite plain. In the bottom you get this kind of embroidery work again. So you can also see in the try on video, and in the bottom they have given a good elastic, and it's a quite straight fit pant. So you get to see this kind of embroidery work at the bottom as well. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 444 rupees, and there was no discount on this one. And as I told you guys, it's cotton blend. If you guys like this particular dress, you can definitely go for it, but it's a bit tight in my chest area. You guys can go for one size bigger. I ordered in medium size. You can go for large size. So yeah guys, I really like this dress. It's quite breathable. Definitely you can wear it during summer. And the next dress which I'm gonna talk about is this one. This is such a beautiful dress, and I really like this color. It's like a maroonish brown color. Let me open it and show you guys. This is how the dress looks like. I mean, such a beautiful dress guys, and the color is so different, and I don't have anything in this color, and I'm thinking to keep this dress. So you get to see this sequence work in the front, and they have used some kind of glitter I can see coming out. So yeah, this is how the dress looks like. And they have given a 3/4 sleeves. You get this gotapati work, and it's quite plain at the bottom. You can also see in the try on video guys. And this is how the bottom looks like. There is no pocket for this. They have given a good elastic, and the material is really nice. It's very comfortable and soothing. Even a narrow fit pant for this. And let me show you the dupatta guys. Dupatta, I did not like it so much because it's not a very comfortable material, because it's quite thick, and I'm not really fond of this particular cloth. But the print looks really nice. See, you can see the prints, I guess. I'm trying hard to show you guys the design, but you can also see in the try on video they have given a beautiful flower prints, and in the corner you get this kind of design. And a very beautiful dress. Apart from the dupatta, I really like the dress. You can definitely wear it without the dupatta as well. And let me tell you the price. Alright, the price of this particular dress is 954 rupees. I think it's really worth. Definitely you can go for it. The color is so diverse. I really love this one because it's very different. If you like this kind of dresses, you can definitely go for it. And you guys know that festival seasons are coming up, and definitely you can add this to your wardrobe. And the next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This particular dress is very different. I mean, the color looks very different. Let me open it and show you guys. This is how the dress looks like. Very beautiful dress, and they have given a very intricate embroidery work. It looks really beautiful, and you get to see 3/4 sleeves with the gotapati work, and in between they have given this kind of embroidery work. Very beautiful and different color. Let me show you the bottom. The bottom and the top quality, I mean the cloth quality is really nice. It's similar to this dress, and they have given a good elastic. There's no pockets for this, so it's a quite straight fit with an it's not straight, I think it's a narrow fit pant. let me show you the dupatta. Dupatta is very nice, guys, because it's bit soft. It's not like the previous one. This dupatta is very soft, and it looks really nice, and I really like the prints on it. You can see the prints. So you can also see in the try on video, guys, if you're not able to see properly here. They have given a very good length and width, which is a good thing, and definitely you can wear these dresses to function, because the color itself is so different and you might stand out in this particular color. I really like this one, and let me tell you the price. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 996 rupees. It's close to 1000 rupees. I think it's worth, guys, because the quality of this dress is really nice. I mean, festive wear dresses are a bit expensive, but I would recommend this particular dress. If you guys like it, you can definitely go for it. And I will also provide the product links in the description box. So let's move on to the next one. The next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This dress is also one of my favorite, guys, because I really like the color. This time I tried to get different colors so that you guys don't complain me like you're getting one color. Okay, the next dress is this one. This is also a very beautiful dress, and the color is so different. This is like a Rani pink color. So yeah, this is how it looks like. They have given a very good embroidery work in the front, and so you get to see this kind of embroidery work in between, and behind it's quite plain. There is also a bottom for this. This is how the bottom looks like, and there is no pockets for this, so it's quite straight fit pant. And there is also a dupatta for this. Dupatta color is blue color, which is really nice, and this dupatta length and width is very good. You can see in the try on video also, and in the ends they have given this kind of finishing, I mean this kind of work. This looks like a sari to me, but it looks very beautiful with the dress. This is how it looks like. I really love this one, guys, and only drawback is this is a bit tight in my chest area. If you're a big chested girl, go for one size bigger. I got it in medium size. You can go for large size. And let me tell you the price of this particular dress. Alright, the price of this particular dress is 1195 rupees. I will definitely recommend this particular dress to you guys, and go for one size bigger, because if you're a heavy chested girl, like you can go for one size bigger, but otherwise the color and everything looks very beautiful. You can also see in the try on video they have given a contrast dupatta which looks really different. You can definitely wear these dresses on a special occasions. You will look really beautiful. And yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload a next video, take care. Bye bye.